Okay, it's not that one or the other is better or acts earlier. When we use spirometry, we consider negative results when the measurements are plus or minus 20% of the predicted value. So we have a very large range of measurements that can be considered normal, but maybe not exactly healthy directly. With oscillometry, we will have a more precise way of looking at how that ventilation is working. When we see the resistance line and we see the reactance line, we can easily see if that ventilation, which with spirometry can be under normal limits, if that ventilation is really getting into the whole lung or just into parts of it. So it's not like they are more precise or more effective or act earlier or not, but the way that we traditionally diagnose with spirometry is not the best way, let's say, because of that full range of plus 20, minus 20% of predictions. While with oscillometry, it's a lot easier to see if there is an obstructive problem or if it is if the obstruction is either on the peripheral side or on the central side of the lung.